construction site of a house, and we got a new waterfall overnight. Oh my goodness. Wow. We have this ditch that goes along the road that we did, and it's overflowing our ditch. It's coming down here. It's overflowing our road. That's a bad thing because it erodes your road when it goes over your road like this. We have some pipes down there that take the water under the road, but obviously we don't have enough ditch or pipe for this. I have never seen this much water. We've never seen a waterfall here before. This is a lot of water. It also shows the importance of properly siting your home. See, this water is going around our house, not into our house. Wow, except it is running right down my driveway because it's overflowing this ditch. Wowzers. I wonder what the local lakes look like. We've been here 3 years, we have never seen a waterfall here. Let's walk down here real quick. I see another little waterfall over here on the other side. See, if I was set up right now to catch this rain, we could get a year's supply of water just last night and today. Wow. That's a lot of water. I mean, if you live in Oregon, you don't think this is a lot of water. We don't live in Oregon. That's awesome. We dug this ditch so that the water would go around our garden. Can you imagine what that much water would do flowing over our garden? And it worked. Wow. There's the water there, it flows through there, and then you can see it coming out on the ground right there. The garden looks good. All right, waterfalls on the mountain.